Hi all, welcome to my video. Today in this video, together we will model this part. Although it is very simple, the way how we will model it and the commands that we're gonna use it will give you a good insight about SolidWorks working principles. So, please follow me and let's model it together. First I will create a new part, and in this new part, on the front plane, let's make it on top plane, I create a sketch. Here I select a polygon. Here you enter the number of polygon you will have. In my case it's a triangle. And I place this one here. I will give dimension of one edge. Still it is undefined and we can a little bit rotate it and to understand that what's missing to make it fully defined sketch, that's orientation. To make orientation you can select this 2 point and say vertical. And this is my old habit, which I normally combine this with a line and then make that line vertical, because mostly I use construction geometry for different purposes as well. So there is no any harm of using that. Later, I pick a line, I create here one line and one another line here. Okay, and one circle with a diameter of 38 here will be placed. After this operation, I pick a line and I draw something like this. And here, simply what I do, I find the midpoint of this angle. In fact, I just select these two, make it equal, and for construction. So there is something which is creating a problem. Overdefined. I select overdefined. Diagonals. Okay. The perpendicularity here creates some problem. I delete it. That's fine. My sketch still defined and it's good to go. On the front plane, on the top plane, I will create another sketch. Now I will really work on the real profile that I would like to make loft. I select this one I will say parallel, and then I will select this one and this one I will say 1 millimeter. So after this operation is completed, we're gonna select top plane. We will say 15 height offset, and on this new plane we will create a sketch. Then point, and I will drop this point here. At the end what we get, something like this. This is going to be used nowhere. It is just a helping object. The real object that we're gonna work with is this one and this point. I will make a loft point sketch. Then we got this nice guy. Let's look from top. It will look like this. Now it is time to work on multiplying this object. I will select top plane, reference geometry, and this line to create here on plane. Top plane selected. I go to reference geometry and plane. I select this line. So I created to another plane to be able to copy. I select Loft 1. I select plane 2. While Control is pressed, I will copy here 1 and merge solids and click. Then I will select this mirror and I will select mirror 3 and one more time mirror here. Last operation will be right plane and all 3 objects selected while Control is pressed and again mirror. At the end, we completed this model. This approach what you see here almost in all modeling will be valid. So try to focus on getting the ideas rather than the part itself. I do not create parts sometimes because they are fancy or looking nice. Just I will try to introduce different ideas, different approaches, or very basic ideas by the help of modeling different objects. So this was it. If you like it, hit the like button and make a comment. See you in another